Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got myself a box in the mail. Pretty cool. Pretty big box, I might say. Kind of heavy. This is kind of exciting for me. I know I say that a lot with my videos, but this is a little bit different. Went off the board a little bit from my normal purchases and found something online, an online auction to bid on. And I picked up some pretty cool things. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so most of you who follow my channel know that one of my rules is that I don't like to overpay for stuff. And a lot of times on online auctions, that's exactly what you'll see. You'll see people bidding, and like I looked at an online auction the other night and people had bid higher than going out to the manufacturer's website and buying it direct from them. And, this wasn't, a YouTube channel to support or something. This was just an auction. I just don't get it. I don't know why people would want to do that. For me, my money, I work hard for it. I like to make sure that I spend it the best way possible. Now, this is kind of different stuff. I did get a pretty good deal on it, on most of it anyway. But I thought it was pretty cool. I thought I'd take a chance. And it wasn't a ton of money, but something just a little bit unique and different. So enough of the gabbing. Why don't we go ahead and get in this box and see what's in here? Because I'm anxious to see it. It's a lot different in person than what you see in pictures. So I'm a little concerned at some level, but let's take a look. Let me show you the first thing I pulled out of the box. So this is a Heritage Barber Collection. This thing's about the size of a piece of paper. I thought it was, in the, I guess with the coins and stuff, but in the picture, I just visioned it to be smaller. And it looks like it's got a little framing thing here, so I guess if I wanted to hang it on the wall, but it's to be hung from the side like this. Let's see what kind of good that would really do. Oh no, there's another one over here. Okay. But my plan isn't to hang it up. I mean, it's kind of cool. It's kind of a little collector thing, but I really bought it for the coins. It wasn't $65. That's just left over from when the person bought it in the first place, I think. But we have an Indian head penny, and this thing looks to be in great shape. Man, I need to see if I can zoom in on this stuff and show you guys this Indian head penny. If it's got a little spotting or something on it, but man, it looks to be in pretty good shape. Zoom in. Now the plastic's pretty scratched up, but this penny. It's a 1909. I don't know, I might have to get my loop out. Was it 1909 when the Lincoln penny came out? Let me see what this says. Let me get some good light on it. 1903. Okay. But still, that's the best looking Indian head penny I've ever seen. Let's look at the back of it. Yeah. I don't know, what is, it looks pretty good to me. Wow, it's pretty nice. Again, I'm not planning to keep it in this carrier. I bought it for the silver content, really, because we've got a V-nickel. And most of us know the V-nickel doesn't have a whole lot of value. This one's not in very good shape at all. It's also 1903. We have the Barber dime, Barber quarter, and a 1921 Morgan dollar. It looks like this Barber quarter is in 1897 and 1906. Can't see the date on the Barber dime. Let me look at that real quick. It's in 1911. And of course the 1921 Morgan dollar is a pretty common silver dollar. But still, I mean, just with these alone, maybe come back out just a little bit. These four right here are silver. And this goes for about, $25, maybe $30 now. Half dollars are what, $9 or $10? Barber would be a few dollars more. Barber quarter, $5 or $6. Barber dime, probably $3. So let's call it 9, I don't know, 18, 30, 48, back it down a little bit, 40, I don't know. Some decent money in silver right there. And I paid $31 for it. So I'm pretty happy about that. Can I say it's below spot? No, probably not below spot, but it's definitely below the value of these coins for sure. So again, I thought at $31 it was a pretty good deal, and I'm gonna pop them out of here. I'm not sure how. This is kind of sealed up. It's got to come apart somehow. It's got a big. I thought that was a crack, but it's a scratch. All right. So that's the first thing I bought. Pretty cool. 21 Morgan's in pretty good shape, but they all are, right? I mean, even in good shape, these things aren't worth a ton of money. But I thought this was a pretty good deal for $31. So what do you think about that? Here, I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to dig my box and see what else I got here. All right. So this we have last 5 years of silver mercury dimes. And I've got, to get this rubber band off, 2 of them. What do you think about that, huh? Now I thought these would make pretty good Christmas gifts maybe. They look kind of old school, don't they look, the design just looks kind of old. So they have a 41, a 42, a 43, a 44, and a 45. Always got to check the 42 over ones, right? These I paid a little more than spot for, really just because they were in the set. I thought that they were pretty cute. Like I said, I thought I've got a lot of grandkids. I thought these might make some good grandkid Christmas presents. But I don't know. Look at the condition of these things. These things look like they're uncirculated. These look to be in really, really good shape. This one is nice and shiny. Look at almost proof-like. You can see my finger there. Look at the front of these. No, they look like they've been circulated. They got some wear on them. But wow, pretty cool, huh? So I got 2 of them. And I think I paid, I don't remember, $23, $24 or something for them. It wasn't much for both sets together. But yeah, look at the backs of these things. Nice, shiny. So yeah, what do you guys think? Make pretty good gifts or what? Or, I don't know if I get crazy, I might just break them out of these lenses and put them in my mercury dime stack because they're in great shape. But yeah, we'll see. But I thought that was a pretty good buy too. I was surprised, people didn't bid up on them more. People usually like those mercury dimes. Now this last thing, I'm really anxious to see because I only saw it in a picture. I'm going to lift my camera up here a little bit because I think it's a little bit bigger. But let's take a look at this. I want to see what kind of condition it's in and how well it traveled. Here's the bottom of it. It says Roosevelt silver dime rolls. The Darby or Danbury mint. So let me flip this thing over. So there's a Roosevelt silver dime rolls, 1946 to 1964. So it's a box. And this has just got the plastic on it, so it's not damaged. That's just the plastic that protects the label. And I thought this was really cool. Let's check this out. I need to get it past my camera. Look at this box, huh? It's got like a spot for these rolls of dimes to go in. It's got the key for the box. Key's down here. So we actually got the key for the box, which is really cool. The box is in great shape. And look at this. Sealed rolls of Roosevelt silver dimes. There was 4 of them. I think there was 61, 62, 63, and maybe 64. So yeah, now, I don't know where I would get the other rolls. So I don't know really how useful this box is. But I thought this was really, really cool. Let me see if I can see the years on these. This is 1961. Let's put that over there for a moment. This is 1963. So let's put that there for a moment. This is 1962. Let's put that there for a moment. And this is 1964. So man, it'd be great to have the rest of these. Over here on the lid it says Roosevelt silver dime rolls. Nice felt here. And yeah, I thought this was just really, really unique. These look to be uncirculated dimes too. Look at how shiny those things are. I don't know. I'm not really sure what to do with this set. It is really cool. I wonder if it says on the label what year they are. Nope, it says the Danbury Mint. Roosevelt dimes. 90% silver. Wow, what a cool little set, huh? So what do we have in here? We have 48 dimes. We have 12 times 4. I think they said there was 12 in there. Let me see if I can count them here real quick. I probably see them better through my camera than naked eye. Maybe not. Let me see. Yeah, there's 12 in each roll. That's what they build them as. 48 dimes. So 48 uncirculated Roosevelt dimes. Now we know that Rosies don't, pull a ton of money. A lot of people are more after the Mercuries and different ones, but uncirculated. And who knows how long these have been packaged in the tubes like this. But these are just gorgeous. Looks uncirculated. Hard to tell. Maybe not. Even if they're not, they're in beautiful condition. Look at that silver. Wow. Are those nice or what? Now that looks dinged up, but it could just be the plastic too. I don't know. I guess what should I do with these? Should I leave this in this box with these 4 rolls? I mean, it doesn't really do a whole lot for me without the rest of them. I mean, I could get the rest of them and put them in here, but I don't have these cool little tubes. Maybe I can go look for them on eBay or something to put them in. But yeah, I thought this was a pretty good deal for the box with the key, all the uncirculated dimes all sealed. This whole set cost $85. So I'd have to look at spot, but I mean, I generally think of dimes about being about $2 a piece. So that would be less than the dimes themselves. And then, plus you got the box. I might be able to if I decide just to keep the dimes, maybe somebody would be interested in a cool box like this. I'm going to see if the key works. Let me try to turn it. There it is. Let's go back down. Turn it. There we go. It's locked. So it is the right key. So that's pretty cool. Let me see if I can unlock it. Alright. So yeah, don't you think this is cool? I really got a kick out of this thing. I really thought this thing was cool. And again, you take a chance. You're just looking at a picture on a site. You're not really seeing the real thing. Didn't know what kind of condition the box would be in. This key's got a cute little tassel on it. So yeah, I'll throw this back in here. Make sure it's unlocked. So that's all I got. Box is empty besides my invoice. And I thought you guys would like to join me while I open this to see what I got. So I got this for a great price. I got these Mercury, so dime time between the Rosies and the Mercuries. I got over 50 dimes, total of 58. And then this set, again, I'm going to try to figure out a way to break into this sucker. It just looks like a big lens, but it's solid. This thing is thick and heavy. So this isn't going to be easy to get into. But nice little collection of old coins. And like the condition of this Indian head. So I'll have to investigate that a little bit further. So yeah, that's it. That's what I picked up. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.